against Lyon. Yaba betre Enra matches across no yadeba Chelsea winning against Sheffield. It was a hard-fought win. West score line now. Why have this review? But Chelsea won. And Chelsea coach Thomas Tuchel or say Ojiri said this wasn't a good performance, but there was important things on the winning. Chelsea team they say Omuwayehu Yaba Manchester City through to the semi-finals. Only Chelsea and about semi-finals of the FA Cup. And Leicester City actually Manchester United Yomuhojuma. And also want some but weekendy. Me a sure the score line a hank of power Juventus Benevento. I mean at the point Juventus odd near 1.18. Most of the betting sites. A team me a sure that do not call for goals for Juve, but Juve lost that game by 1-0. And it was the game before that near presentation Guardiola Cristiano Ronaldo. Yahonsam ayede ebane samahodwa. So Michael Essien in an interview with Air Daily Mail can simply yade announce about say oh no well who was a manager but he loves the game so much that he wants to be a coach. Now I don't know saying that ensem ensutie we ene ensamahodwa aboano and yade eba. Hearts of August say, he's working as a CEO now. Reports Ebano. The entire Hearts of August register at Dimola Kutino from your pride wa Chechemu. The Remo Santiago Consortia Fabio Gama Akasa for the arrival of Michael Vinicius to our Santiago Cono and when you're a compatriot, another Brazilian, our Becano. You have come El Bechem so say Kwagudanso or so on your assistant. They say Bechem the Kasim Mingel Edna Bad say almost on your assistant also one yet. And also on some Yebe Ramu Ewahase and Ghana, the Black Optimists, the para weightlifting team, so powerlifting, Ediomani H.M. Manchester for a qualification of the Tokyo Olympics. Yababe Ghana, so Boboano said the SC Ako and some. And some of the adults, referees somebody Ghana and South Africa game number. Sanso and they say Ghana you players to transfer from Brand Tobacco, Germany under 21 so Thomas Afrino. So on the ball wiki under 21 games because across Europe no on some Bobby Tiabe and on some FN this letter be and a circular be a clubs in COVID-19 tests. I was a team biaye na ansan ya second round no. Eno ehonsam ewasi Christian edu say chairman ogre bibia boko de nyame adum nyame ase weekend ko ye na Arsenal West Ham no a game of two halves first half West Ham there yes and a second half Arsenal there man say Arteta say na ninje first half no second half the ninje ho na so grow supporter pra wani anye first half anye kra nenye wani anye first half at the point Tinobogwa franum send message em 3-0 no without them you okay be go nim say but now them same team don't say ya anam say you better but
game back where man should be a Manchester and Leicester no you go international break me boy
yeah
anti Olegona so she no rest players for what
or say players ni be a break or say Bruno Fernandes a break or say about game no 3 times go na so name 11 o mo de ombo man o de ombo anti eno ye na asem o no de atoja no anti me nim de but Leicester Yomhojuma pa.
Yomhojuma.
Leicester Yomhojuma.
Yomhojuma.
So say your Leicester Southampton, Chelsea, Manchester City. In the semi-final.
So far the two best Premier League clubs and semi-final.
And in fact we are the way our FA Cup it looks like teams are more kind in Leicester form. Other Southampton so na ya go say Chelsea blip kakra and they say on and off. It's area said the Besiako. Obi Joyce. Na boko there. We can look at Kama.
Yeah.
Juventus a handful. Na
Atamelo pass no pass yama. Juventus
someone lucky bite. I don't know some boy when they are losing they are just like how many is Benevento no boy na.
Yeah, Benevento bosume mi enso unya win this whole season on kwa we nko share. But apart from Atomelo,
super people in Zagi.
Oh yes, Osha celebration after the game out to say yes, significant win the momo. but played with Alvaro Morata, Nomne, Kulusevski, Nomne. Of course, Andre Pirlo, first year in top management. Oh, he has a lot to learn. It's a learning curve, and we are Juventus fan. Don't be too worried because this is what you should expect. Ufri Allegri, a Kosari 1 year now, move it to a novice, basically a greenhorn. Now Pirlo ne coach Cristiano Ronaldo. Mi ankasa mi susu ye mu Ronaldo kura hu nyoma bebre o football mu a. Wan hwa no Pirlo kura hu ye. This is what you should expect as far as Juventus are concerned. They have a problem with defense. I've consistently said about Wojciech Szczesny, not a world-class goalkeeper in my estimation, but Juventus Bebre is 10 points behind Inter, and I'm not too sure that there's any stopping in a branch and a team or a friend or Inter Milan. And shout to me Sampa Ronaldo yet you bet to me be a last minute cross ball bicycle kick be or ye be a first half no or ball shot across the face of goal. Alvaro Morata and tapi in no Ojejina and at the end of the day one in my estimation, very sorry to say, silly decision from Atomelu on the left side. Now person the ball no nipa no all right no why I was so checking obi o one champion the awareness around the situation we are world class midfielder to direct the ball across field. And they will share send your interception. They call a player in your control. Danilo Ginaho, but still bury the goal. Well, I think the Italian Serie A is virtually done. Just to say, sir, in AC. They fought hard, very hard. 3-2 away against Fiorentina.
The point, almost trailing by 2-1.
Absolutely,
and
absolutely. Into Serie A, ni dia yani omewie esanse Inter aje adie na anisa. Say Juve wo they on trophy back. Say Coppa Italia no more final. Into they had trophy back but I'm not too sure. Said this is the Juventus we've known for the past 5 or 6 years. There's a very weak side.
Okay, Atamelo mistakes no correct. But apart from Atamelo mistakes, I think Juventus has so much quality to overcome that mistake. Enra, say before this game,
is almost disappointing.
Before this game, in fact, so far in Serie A, the worst defense Benevento. They have conceded 52 goals so far in 27 matches. Serie A. So one mistake, can Juventus score 3 goals or 2 goals against the worst defense in Serie A?
And of course they have Ronaldo.
Who's our Ronaldo? Until Atamelo a mistake. Juventus by meaning for defense or mere mistakes or mere mistakes. But the attack always will cover the mistakes now defenders number
almost, I think they have to take a look at their transfer policy. It looks like meaning the kind of players almost has a French players in the door.
Ramsey, Sami Khedira, unfortunately Betancourt form they call from Melo from Barcelona to Juvenil himself or a good player. In fact, now you're complaining, say why will you sell Melo for Maryland Pjanic? Of course, it was for the financial reasons, but in the form not at the pay. The defensive partnership Damerel alongside Delete against SS Lazio. Angel Correa Nyabobi or turning inside right, but of course only a young defender. Delete Danilo is not doing so well. Alexandro form dodo. So Wojciech says in Newa is a man who is close to 46 or 45 in Buffon. And Omo, a very, very is ignorant the right word, but so inexperienced manager in Andre Pirlo. Into no their Paratici numbeka, their Nedved numbeka no OTO because onusu usia de. Pointy sa interbejran and now super dia. No man pam Pirlo dia. Then they'll have to wait for 5 or 6 years because it looks like the man we GSS1 or Control BEC. Maybe 3 or 4 years. And they say Juventus Bejran and also. Yes, Melo a mistake, no, but you don't make those mistakes at that level. No, you say you are struggling against the side. Even to get a goal in the first half. No goal in the first half. So it meant and no more to 2 chances, Nigu, Omo Bogusa, and that's the results you have. I still insist that the Serie A is done. Inter Lukaku no form
it looks done though because even with Inter game in hand, they still haven't played that game because of COVID. No, they have 65 points, followed by AC Milan with 59. almost one game, almost AC Milan about 1 game more than Inter. So should Inter win, Inter going on 68. They maintain a 9-point lead. But there's another thing. Yeah, you know, Juventus. So Juventus are not careful. They might not even have a top four.
Absolutely.
Because more 55, they want 1 game in hand.
Absolutely.
Atlanta, 55. Napoli was 53. You know,
but chairman, Oba against Benevento. And now the statistics, you know. Juventus about 73% of ball possession. About 21 shot. 7 of them were on target. No goal. Benevento no winning game no. About only 27% or say about away. Juve on about home. What control game no? 73%. About 27 shot. 7 of them were on target. Why a goal? Benevento only shot on target and on the goal no.
And so the significance of Melo's mistake.
Yeah. So it come back to say Juventus were also so much unproductive. How can you have 73% of ball possession, 27 shot, 7 on target, and fail to score even one of those 27 attempts? So with the ball, Juventus had 73% of possession of the ball. No, they were so unproductive. So Benevento now only 23% of ball possession. No, it's Michel. At the points, you know, echo. So they were basically unproductive. You bet me Tamelo mistakes no na. But say attack no not team near productive now. Sometimes when mistakes in the bad go the bad there. But 2 goals can overcome some mistakes now. Atamelo is with me no. It with that with the board and
but you must share so because Oko La Liga anima the chase is on.
Absolutely.
From Real Madrid and Barcelona, it's only a good Atletico so.
Yeah.
And yes, and 4 points and Atletico the lead the Odanachi Barcelona. And of course 6 points on the leading Real Madrid. It's only and we had said Barcelona so she did now. It was a game and nobody expected a very, very difficult game.
Yeah.
But Barca made it look so easy.
Yeah.
So easy.
Becca Barca but as a Madridista yes you're quite away. Adam Baliados against Celta Vigo and I'm a bit worried about international break nebano. Me worry
more cruise, you know.
Yes.
And
Champions League year by Liverpool for yani omo ahode ye pe by your central midfielders me Sabia Casemiro, Luka Modric, Toni Kroos mo omo good day ya ho beto ye and international break I'm just hopeful and across the world player bia o tu kwan bia no say ye empire ni say onya coronavirus ana onkopra na senior of course it's an already cursed season results everybody no entwa yie so we can do better. Me pe kwan how we do winning bet this weekend because she can't even ask you bet free. Omo chow kakra no massage ni nyina. But you know your GDS Ronko say all of the boys who come fit and come good. Weekend it was established Karim Benzema ye can we assist strikers top 3 this is here on the deal Lewandowski echi me sure so bia me be debate on this fact. Messi is not a striker inti you can't pure you know through and through center forward sir say no Karim Benzema share space Cristiano Ronaldo Jamano so on take you over and also not Ronaldo or not Benzema na more of the service provider into teamwork idea back where Karim Benzema and the characteristics name but beyond that Ronaldo ko any o GDS say James Rodriguez sorry guys Bale eba be ye adwuma no Bale anya adwuma no ye the Hazard so ntumi anya adwuma no into a branch here at certain point in time oni Gonzalo Higuain and Real Madrid supporters so say was say job mienu nyina kwan no enno ye can strikers omo wiase a ye ntumi modin enya branch here friend Karim Benzema and again he delivered the goods and until Liverpool forward GDS say ba Champions League nim no mutumi close it down your midfield no almost stop Benzema na chese Real Madrid no akwaya homa na ni tino ye twa efri so now so check your last 3 games ayabo Zinedine Zidane used the 3 back. He was fantastic against Gasperini's Atlanta because Omoma used the whole season a 3 back formation side and you reverted to the back 4 because now was a Valverde no but the golden trio of Casemiro, Modric, and Toni Kroos just to stop a branch friend Renato Tapia. No, she 14 jersey. Emma Celta Vigo or game a course or Baleados. On the almost central midfielder. Into to me controlling midfield now. There was a great possibility to say to me any results, no. And two base midfielders, Casemiro, Toni Kroos, Luka Modric, Konanim Kakra, Valverde, so bien so yakwala ahwodin ana ahwodin fufuro bi onimua otumidi defend the sans to me at the journey the attack the energy levels no and the boy ma of course Toni Kroos through pass for Benzema for the first goal was simply brilliant, but the second goal no na same Real Madrid press pa into Toni Kroos na press here ball no somebody carrying Benzema wa yenya second goal no, but even just before half time na Celta Vigo for our game nim because no metumi atikani mu baako na ugba way to a side such as Celta Vigo e wo mu homa ayana at the scare kakraba especially in the last minute, and as the Cassian Coma Casemiro because free kick no ego as pass a ball no Casemiro na key na kopim side poster and then Real Madrid enya maximum points, but ade baako so essential am say a branch friend Marco Asensio so no ball no court na bench no bamu ankeboa because as a super sub was shot 2 goals 1 assist in 287 minutes, but as a starter was shot 2 goals 1 assist in 1370 minutes. So of course Carvajal Nyo, Alvaro Droizola nya reliable into Lucas Vasquez nebo Sergio Ramos so you know prepare no unfortunately Spain for at San friends on the national team no, but boy who say any Liverpool besia into Ramos very relax Nacho ne Varane nebo Felon Mendy now when you the golden four no when you Vinicius or the speed sana sisiano Barcelona for so use Osman Dembele or no the speed no edge ni mo to lose God pe or J ball na no was no koso na Messi any Antoine Griezmann bought the 8 another 10 send your Pep Guardiola use Calvin De Bruyne and Bernardo Silva no sana Ronald Koeman so use Sam Rantewe and again obi to say Thibaut Courtois great saves especially in the second half into Rantewe be miensa na 9B and a Real Madrid for better Messi Karim Benzema Thibaut Courtois and Toni Kroos no and a weekend is Saturday class na me monitor chese yenya a very significant win over Team One.
As a Madridista already Barcelona fan Christian was almost a 6 and it was a massive win because it was a game Obi expect to say I mean Sociedad they're always the boogie side when you go to their home ground.
Sociedad before this game no more 13 games with fee so 13 games in the chairman no more consider 10 goals with fee.
So looks like
10 goals in 13 matches and as Sociedad above fear no more consider just 10 goals. So a decent side so kona question is 6 chairman just a decent side. But the come when say all of a sudden you a shift of mentality since Laporte enya sa re-election no. As a place ni nyina I more like new signings obia ebo the A game.
Omanya di omope.
Yeah, because before say Laporte ba no na ukunu say as I enye ye team na gu anisa obi agina park no so obi aye de ope, but all of a sudden there's a shift in mentality, players and attitude. Chairman only say the only team Europe in top 5 leagues are the year 2021 and lose game Barcelona. The year 2021 is mono Barca is the only team Europe top 5 leagues now on lose a game so far in the year 2021. Now ever start season no
our league
ever start season no say them say Messi they were done. But chairman, in the year 2021, Messi abo 12 games. So 12 games are Messi actually 15 goals. League games are making 17. 15 goals, 7 assists in just 12 matches in 2021. And to make it more interesting, Messi more like rejuvenated, you know. So 12 games, you know, and we 11 when you're man of the match. Wow. About 12 games.
12 games. Man of the match 11 out of the 12.
I say 15
so
goals.
Only one game.
Only one game. Then when you're man of the match award in those 12 matches now, Messi a boy, you know. But I never come and say when they say so far, Barca youngsters, you know, are also stepping up.
And I said Sergio Des a goal. Yeah.
Mingueza Sizi was a 1 goal.
Amazing.
21 years. Moriba 18 years as a goal. Trincao 21 years as a goal. And I said Sergio Des. And so I say go. The mom go no quite more interesting is that omo nyina goals no mo share nyina no the assist came from Messi. Omo nyina goals omo share omo first goal for Barca no. The assist came from Messi. Now that back when Messi when he say chairman, only say Jordi Alba and Sergio Busquets is now playing like when they were playing their prime. And when Sergio Busquets boy no. And say Sergio Busquets a year born in 2009 2010 no. All of a sudden when rejuvenated.
Mom first was somebody credit ni kakra Suma Ronald Koeman. Because the 3-back no bono Emma Frankie De Jong to me con any member Pedri ni Busquets mu.
The mama ni graduate ni say Koeman buy no signing. Onye signing no. Yeah bo with a makeshift defense because here Kasa is here no. Titi ni PK almost out of season now. Omonye consistent. So makeshift defense the ball so far this season no. And was about a 3-back formation. And Barca is also playing that a striker.
Now Messi is a mama striker. Messi is a mama striker.
Barca now all without an outright striker no. Chairman who league na washe goals S3 teams ni na all league no. Barca as a 67. Atletico Madrid as a 51 and Real Madrid as a 49. Baby because you di yema Ronald Koeman me no obi adwene say yenim say Barca enye 3-back system team. Time Barca ho akire ni bia season we bia no ye kai me ni Sevilla second leg almost 2-0. Second leg na na see ye hia ni overturn a 2-0 deficit no obo 3-back.
So it means that the 3-back seems to be working.
We no ni ya overturn a 2-0 deficit first leg deficit against Sevilla. Na ye ni PSG again PSG say 4-0 4-1 e Champions League na e fie no. Second leg no me say na game dey done ye ntimi ko overturn by a call PSG part the prince na Yakobo back 3 no. We played our best game against PSG with the back 3 system. Now the essence is as on paper normal 4-4-3 now. O she say team na Ubenya Jordi Alba, Wanya Lenglet, Mingueza and Sergio Des as a 3
strictly 3.
But as a mission on paper, also Ubenya fullbacks ni
no fullbacks in the mo come anim.
But fullbacks no kwa and the mu say fullbacks no kwa. Sergio Des beko. Na Jordi Alba ko. Na Lenglet any Mingueza biem. Na Frankie De Jong abesho mumu.
Frankie De Jong is center back. In foot no for the first time I'm here Barca ball manager here.
Be say man say wo mo a Obaka says De Jong no ball as a midfielder.
Yes.
But say Lenglet any Mingueza biem a na De Jong abesho no ball as a fullback.
Enra
3-back.
Enra Barca ball no yes Leicester there na desk corner anymore. Even Mengueza to me cross ball. Yeah. This time 3-back no. And your coaches now was so my who nyoma bi wo yen so football him because this time
coaches there here some now.
Make a Premier League ni Division 1 league coaches.
Okay.
Because center backs ni movie ball no chairman. Movie ball now Mengueza ni there. Barca or future.
Okay about a half for no.
Yeah.
Oh invite you my yes me enkasa. I'm true. I mean, who your coach now to all coach team Papa Penny to so. No be got us go kasa. Now so just to on kasa.
Say club policy.
Club policy. E be on kasa about nyoma bi.
Yeah.
But for instance, tactics and those things.
Absolutely.
It helps to build your capacity to be on how good you are.
Yeah.
Say be invite you ha. Na be akaya kabo ya ma body. Now we change the mu tactics. Now coach go in his game.
Yeah.
But say the yesia coin akono ma say be na ma on kasa. It's even the Ghanaian public don't really have trust in their coaches because it's like formation ben obo.
Yeah.
What the Rabiam team say the coach about formation ben obo. Maybe a go coach no opportunity now churches are when ma. People will understand your philosophy.
Yeah.
What important I say. Said a grandson as money Samala that's got Sky Sports. A church formations in Sadia ni na no. Other coaches near now Yamra Chelsea and Sana.
But say wo team one.
Not Chelsea United.
You team one obetime di red card. As early as the 12th minute. No winning game by 4-0. It must be Bayern Munich.
Now Bayern Munich for the now they be here crowd there. Chelsea obi akotwa be 2 to 5 goals. Yami kwa get back to the sleep. First and foremost.
Even a man down and a mom show goes.
Then because of mom one now you say what to the bill. It's your one also go check his hands and so corner phone now. Now so to be no now already sleep. Just a Bayern Munich there. And I'm seeing how many PSG game now be 5-5 and have 6-3 and have 6-2.
The man game is Obi. They had a red card as early as the 12 minutes, so almost 80 minutes of the game, on board with the man down. And still, they were too strong enough to be Stuttgart by 4-0.
Bayern, we have to learn a lot from Bayern. Look, we are a member of the Bayern Munich Football Club. You are paying between 30 euros to 60 euros a month. And on the average, crown say 35 euros. They are earning close to like 9 million euros every year from membership dues alone. She buying team Nomo Lewandowski for free, Thomas Muller for free, David Alaba for 850,000 euros. Or most expensive player earned 50 million euros. That
yeah.
And that's why I say Kotoko and hard to work. We can also learn. Look, Karl-Heinz Rummenigge from Beckenbauer, Oli Hoeneß, almost sporting director, Salimovic, almost sporting, almost former players. Oliver Kahn is on the Bayern board. Project localized champions but doing an extremely good job. Because at the end of the day, Dortmund got top player free Borussia Mönchengladbach and former coach. Now Bayern so opportunity.
Bayern and Salihamidzic.
Salihamidzic,
former player.
Salihamidzic, sporting director. There's proper guidance. She said no must replace Frank Ribery and Ian Robin. Nabri Arsenal for number for Kingsley Coman di kan jini loan sa akwala ya ade no e no mo ye ne permanent Thiago Alcantara twini munsuo nyina wie e no mo ja ne kwan ma team my friend Liverpool. So in terms of their recruitment and technical structure, in my estimation they are the best in Europe. And a bad thing say team B ebe wura Bundesliga ni makotu o mafio is a league in my estimation is not competitive because the Bayern will dominate because the structures are too perfect. Well,
I mean, almost structures let's set you more apart from and it's a liga. I mean, everybody sells their best player to Bayern. You can just imagine Dortmund crowd to be selling Bayern to be Dortmund when they are in difficult times. Oh, and Emmanuel Bibiyo, but
I think Lewandowski so form no womb season, compared to last season, why consistent. Chairman, on say so far. Okra 35 goals in the German Bundesliga.
Pure FM.
The entire very difficult for anybody to score 40 goals for Germany. They say also on 34 games.
Yeah.
England no about 38 games. Spain about 38 games. Over Germany on 34 games in a season. So it is always very difficult for any player. So bet me I say 40 or more goals in the German Bundesliga. The record of a single season say. Play Biatimiashe more goals in the German Bundesliga in 1971-72. Abra Jed Müller shares 40 goals in the German Bundesliga in a single season. But so far, Obi, Jacob Piumne said, aka 8 games remaining. Lewandowski equal 35 goals, which means I am more likely. Say 40 goals now. Astandi since 71-72 say Obia Entimi share 40 goals in a single season. Chairman, I likely say. He will break it. The form the chrome no there. We are amazing. Now me share German Bundesliga league table no. Unim say ononko as a single player. As a goals esne 7 clubs ebo German Bundesliga. Ononko 35 goals na wase no. More than 7 clubs are omo ebo the German Bundesliga season way omo ntimi share 35 goals. Abrante Fen Lewandowski nko as a 35 goals.
We are see the top 3 strikers: Lewandowski, Karim Benzema. Now I'm behind Karim Benzema.
So
top 3.
Oh, top 3.
Top 3 ne imprim top 3. Lewandowski, Benzema, Haaland. Oh, now Mami Dean for friends. Oh, that was your base, Mami. But no Mami Dean for Benzema.
Benzema, the Martial grab a cry. Fine. Rashford. Rashford.
I have German Benzema. Hey.
Ojabo is roaching Benzema. Hey, some team boy get he said.
Oh, for Aubameyang, sir. And a Lacazette crab. I know Lacazette so you. Lacazette.
Okay, Facebook for Naga Uber Naga Kanen Kama Uber there. If it's your man in new country, man 350,000. Young Omobo Papa Biama Ibim. Sabrant and know whose cars over Sessa. It is Zaki Macom Jenaka. Oh, nah, also the Division 1 League is heating up as teams are at each other's throat for the solitary slot in various zones. The competition is getting hotter and hotter, and its attendant challenges. I'll suggest the GFA, through their approved and designated subcommittees, pay attention and nip all potential troubles in the bud. we free Alaji Mahama Salia Fiura of Wenchi Bandaline. Okay, Alaji, yeah, that's CP. The Baba Division 1 and never take a look at it. But they say Chelsea Man City in the semi-finals of the FA Cup. But you're more Thomas Tuchel.
Absolutely.
Thomas Tuchel, actually say, I mean, he understands the game.
Absolutely.
What changing Chelsea team? What changing the face of the team?
Yeah.
In a way.
Yeah.
I mean, who thought that Chelsea will get to the point? Even when they are not playing well, they win.
Absolutely. And
no, I don't think it was a good Chelsea performance.
Absolutely, Mark Godric. Mark Godric born or said Nidiet. Captain's band the honor no yet because you don't miss it a sitter. And Brewster, they are not Liverpool. So boss shots be a money fine chance. But the amount to kill a Jumano so and collective exhibition of football. But beyond the ranting, again, Thiago Silva, Gina stance anymore or support Emma, it gives you a certain unique identity. But beyond that, the Real Madrid, Barcelona, Bayern, to an extent, the Juventus of old. The prominent European clubs now are fearsome, the winning mentality. And I just say, I don't need Chelsea, Babishia, or Mama win and I become my brabono because the first half was quite good, second half, even when it's Bill Gilmore, is MSN, Palmieri, of course, Pulisic, my estimation was outstanding. There was the second goal very early on in the first half, but misses our opportunity, Giroud, Chilwell, constant boys at the ball against Sheffield United. That mentality in itself, and why are so consistent in the side of possession. And almost hit 63% of possession. They possess the ball a lot. A quality behind only Chelsea share ubetu America because Kovacic nominate jogging or no ombejina ball. So when obviously are comfortable with the ball. Even when it's not Rudiger, all of a sudden Rudiger, Rudiger, Bobo, that means Lampard was the big problem because now Alonso, Nyabi more Rudiger, Nyabi more Hudson, Nyabi more. All of a sudden, all of these boys are excited. But my only worry is later on, there was Ziyech, Hakimi nominate Timo Werner and Mbem to create a certain sense of stability. That's my only problem. But even to make those changes, now Chelsea will play the same way, and at the end of the day, earn a ticket to the semi-finals. Subaindia. We coach now to me the Real Madrid. No, he said, a very tough Champions League game against Atletico Madrid. In Tisania, Manchester United winning against AC Milan was San Siro. I'll drop a players no fan. I did Matic and Fred. Any Pogba no boy be who the Matic ne Fred no ye woman sa match nim no sana coach we so ye nanso emrante na omotina bench no and omo mpempi omotina bench no omo ebomo mode enya the semi-final ticket enti omo can you say over 40 matches now keep it 12 clean sheets. A big testament to the good work he's done.
Well, Thomas Tuchel, I think also in why he's doing with Chelsea. Why are they okay? Yamra and the honor my wrap up of I'm running something the next 10 minutes. Na yamfa efisam no enso entwaso coach Sika kono wama imuru late caller anambo Sika kono nyamse. Ozai
woni plan nti babia odi ye nkwada no unse na ye ship people be ship now they sinsum eno say ni plan babia am from ebobo no bia na de ne ko sana sikitie. There's no plan.
Seek a problem, no Christian. A man for interfere when
and that is why some of us.
On casa some biada. Yama tete andolo obi interview. Man in casa some trubia. Who you coach? Who did 1.5 billion and the 172, 1.750. Now just one cry and over there. Enti diakani nyama enti say manager call up number
na osa
say diakani nyama enti say late call up and some of the Ghana for kind and one have all ye they can just say Moro no like league ayeboy left full backs no is between Moro and Voka. So Voka your friends don't go on national team yes Moro go Uzbekistan match na say some dey go travel to some dey head there no abana yenya hu ye ho ano no se Ghana You're the main trust. You're breaking a league now. No, Obama made a very nice point. Korogo nem wie mo mufre yi ba ne mo eto mo nkra so mo bebo match
because league
Korogo pay purpose no mo say league no your schedule no ye tight yentimi nya space bia o baby emfa mo mtije so mo bo enem say Korogo nyame yo modum ne so to say
yeah
sa league na schedule ye tight ye nya baby e Korogo ni betim be no ye nya baby go bas Uzbekistan you be say mo so mo say o ye nya hwe na mum Omo
kita for
transport ni
Uzbekistan.
Ni aboy ya
Uzbekistan. Mumpa my timidity. It's because I was a minister of youth and sports. Oh, last 4 years we no ebe hu.
Chairman, players be from are now turning down the call up. Sir Ambrose uses one who ano any German under 21 call up. So the question is I want to say, were they called without proper consultation? What sort of embarrassment is this? See a free player so more national team we now for Germany under 21 afraid no, and the player will respond to German under 21 team no. Were there no prior consultation before calling these players?
We saw one come more German under 21. Is it here? Go back Uzbekistan one.
Obi me say German under 21. But must we call him with this mindset? Essentially, they have friend player every no. Not Germany for Africa, and the boy say he's going to play for Germany.
Yeah.
So there was no prior consultation before calling the boy in the first place.
Absolutely. So the case of poor decision making there has been critical in all of these collabs. But Abrantia no Benyamiasi say onim so be Bob Black Stars now. Wa bros wa 10 matches. Obiba betuno. Enti onko Germany wa unfortunately Germany no. Enye kura unim se no musi e shoot Ozil no mne omonioma no but o sanso
you know betim say Gerard Asamoah
of course Gerard Asamoah or Jerome Boateng no mo ho nti eya anisa eye but e bie kwan foforo so ama local player bi nti anu kura no so ya me de say ono Ambrose you know Ambrose anka say busuafo afra branch na tunifo say hey hano insembe bre baba be team no insembe bre intia ya nana say he's been honest to us no ma hu ye FNA ye Ghana Black Stars ye mpanyimfo no mote ho no adwuma omo ye
enya bi no ma be ka kire ani yes from last Saturday so mo say akwa no bo 4th division no say ya amfa na England for be fan akwa no bo 4th division na onim bolo no bo 4th division Colchester obi o ya de say England for pena me sure say ba na Aston Villa no fan da or say almost say Yamfana England for Befano.
England for a list 100 players. They will not call that player.
300. Nadia S. Say a uniform. Eddie Justice Blabber show. Eddie didn't call local blaster.
There was a chairman. When you know, dear beer and my own say a bedroom pen suobi. This year kofa obi maso player manebe bomai. And that's why I agree with Ambrose. So Germany for na tete no. Omo de omo invest bibi wonimu. Ghana de obi tete ne enkofa. Iti obi obo Colchester. Ye say ye hu ni so player. So ye Ghana ni Colchester 4th division into ye kwakofa no. Whereas ye wo players omo boy a Premier Division ebo Africa. And so omo no
Obama made a point, and I think that later. I'll say you feel yes, it bring back the love. It's not just about hashtags.
Yeah.
It's about practical, behavior. Yeah, league now, say a league you to be ready 11 players. Woman to me, share Sao Tome, and you're league boy.
Absolutely.
To me, share Sao Tome. Your league here, boy. Then why are you playing the league?
Yeah.
Here, Colchester 4th division player. They say you can say, I'm to boss the players. I'm doing some yard. I'm not yes. How?
One of the kickers has
now.
I'm not yes, sir. And I'm not home. That be I'm not yes, sir.
Sir players now say omunya yes, sir. You are now calling them into the main Black Stars national team. Having made that comment some few days ago, and 2 weeks ago, you made that comment. Say sir players now. Yes, see, then all of a sudden, some players now publicly also you are now calling them into the national team. Any 2 weeks. Some players have they improved just within 2 weeks? There is no plan. Omun nishi ntino. Je from mane bobo akobia. You just
say akwakofa akobia betre kuma say o technical director. Ono na hwehwe players omun titi abruchire ma pet. Wa bra wo technical director wadwuma yen say Germany ho na wo go player ho no a wo free ho no. Omu e the plan atowa eboa e ma enkora no e develop it. Enti ebi every 5 years the Germany nya ebi a 100 young players are feed into the Bundesliga teams and sudden. What is Lippert's plan? Lippert, why not just Obekwa Sangregwa? I go show her. I was Sangregwa for community galabia now. Abian Koran Korebio. And how are we doing it? Say, and to 3 and you may yarn. Dear Banaso. But the Uzbekistan match already. About one thing I said betting womb. I'm the betting womb because media may have betting that didn't say, match in your film, your dial league Yakobo. Yenyashi to say, and I can say, Otuano invite you to Brame, a reference, Branham no Meno Momachina, Mechakeska, or Bano down on Asa Kufi. Uzbekistan.
Then at the Papa Ben Pana, Uzbekistan, the Bema team, we say, Accommodate Omoni Squad Deportivo Crab Boy and Canvas also. Just say, I drink Bonipa. And Kayama local boys no come. Now when you say Ghana and Kayaka Uzbekistan, na obia ni aje Uzbekistan. Na mo di we mo no 4th division no mo ne mo amu players no abebo proper Black Stars na mo di account mo nyoma ho na makojiska. Osa. Ka to onhwe nyoma bi ye o. Onhwe nyoma bi ye. Adwuma no oya too inconsistent. Oya too inconsistent. Oya the papa bi abos wa fa kire odidi adwuma ne ho dodo. Omun susun didi adwuma ne ho. Wow, mon tafre hun kakra under 20 mon kwala nkwa na gum senior team so mo pesa mo ye ne sa odai
okay